Mastering, Don't Forget to, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase, don't forget to. This phrase is not only useful but essential in everyday English conversations. So, let's break it down, understand its meaning, and see how you can use it effectively in your communication. Stay tuned. Don't forget to is a phrase used to remind someone to do something that is considered important or necessary. It's a way of ensuring that the person doesn't overlook or neglect a certain task or action. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to more formal communications. The structure is quite simple but flexible. It begins with, don't forget to, followed by the base form of the verb that describes the action you should remember. For example, don't forget to call me, don't forget to lock the door, or don't forget to study for your test. The verb that comes after to is always in its base form, making it easy to construct sentences with this phrase. 1. Daily reminders. Don't forget to take your keys before you leave. 2. Work-related tasks. Don't forget to send the report by EOD, end of day. 3. Social etiquette. Don't forget to thank your host before you leave the party. 4. Personal care. Don't forget to drink water throughout the day. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, fitting smoothly into various aspects of daily life. Practice makes perfect. Try using don't forget to in your daily conversations or write down reminders for yourself using this phrase. Association. Associate the phrase with common daily tasks to help it naturally become part of your vocabulary. Listening for context. Pay attention to when native speakers use this phrase, noting the context and how it affects the conversation's tone. And that's a wrap on Don't Forget to. We hope this video helps you remember and use this essential English phrase more confidently in your daily interactions. Don't forget to practice what you've learned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English language tips. See you in the next video.